So you can either drive up here, you can see I'm sitting on the couch, or we can go to the bathroom back there. I have my fridge right here, and then this is my counter. Ooh. I'm Blogging Brandy, and this is RVersity, a university for RVers. It's Blogging Brandy, Blogging Brandy, and I'm gonna show you around my new RV. Come on in. Figured we'd start with what is my living room and can be my bedroom. This is my kitchen. We have a TV we can either watch in the living room or the kitchen. Of course, I have my cabinetry, my pantries that I can store in, and I have lovely drawers. Love these drawers are curved. Then I have this bar that comes up so I have extra space when I'm in here. So I have my cooktop, my sink, which I keep my trash in when I'm in here. This is my fridge, my closet area. So this is really cool because you have these drawers in here. I love. It's awesome to have the drawers, and then I have hanging space. Usually put my suitcases. And then I store my table in here. And of course I have my microwave. And the microwave is really cool because it's not just a microwave, it does grill, convection, all kinds of stuff. It's time to check out my bathroom. I have a porcelain toilet. In the RV world, it's a new thing. You know, the dark cabinetry, of course. I have just a really nice setup. And the other thing about this Class B is that this is the only one that has the full bathroom in it. A lot of them, they don't have this full bathroom. So you have a toilet, a sink, and a shower. So full area to get ready. So I'm going to show you, these are my propane and water gauges. So I come and check these every once in a while, and I say, here's my fresh water, and this is the clean water that I have on board, and then this is my gray tank, which shows that it's empty, and my black tank shows that it's empty. So that lets me know, the same thing it tells me about my battery and the propane as well, but this lets me know whether I need to actually empty my holding tanks. And you want to keep an eye on the gauges, because if not, it's going to back up in your drains and you're going to see it. This is my other panel, and this is for my gas, for my propane, to heat my water, and also to actually like heat my coach if I want to get hot air in my coach. So this is just like, this is if I want to heat my coach, this is to get hot water. And there's some different features on here, so that's another panel. And I have to actually, you know, turn my propane on if I want to use it. And I usually just turn this off so it doesn't do anything. Real quick, I'm going to show you where my freshwater holding tank is, just because I saw it the other day. And then the other ones, they're underneath, but maybe you can see those too. If you can see that tank, that's it. That's my first water tank. And then you can see my propane way over there. This is my propane. And then probably see that tank under there. So I have my water. So just in case you're wondering what all of this is, I told you these are my low point drains. So these are going to drain out any extra water. This is where I'm hooking up. This is my tank fill. Real quick, this is if my black tank, which I'll show you that in a minute, if I wanted to flush it out and clean out my black tank, I would actually hook up a water hose, a separate water hose, not the same water hose, because this is clean water, this is touching kind of like your doo-doo water, poo-poo water. So I don't know, I would just use a separate hose. That's just me. Normal to tank fill, so putting water in to the RV. This is actually cable, so if we were hooking up to cable, it's the same as your house. And then this is my water pump. This is the winterization, so whenever it's winter time, if you're not going to be using the RV, you're going to put this in like antifreeze and turn this on and run it through here. And there's a couple more steps, a little bit more involved, but this is something that comes on mine. Into the RV itself, you're gonna have your black tank, which is your toilet water, on the right, and then your gray tank, which is your wastewater, on the left. So this is water that's being used for the sink and the shower. So I just pulled the gray handle, and now that's flushing into this sewer drain right here. So you can see that this water is clear coming out of the drain, or coming out of the sewer release. Now this water is clear coming out of the sewer release because this. So you've seen my bathroom, you've seen my kitchen, you've seen my living room and my bedroom, and I've got to hit the road. It looks like it's time for you to go. So I'll see you later. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.